Hi, today's general knowledge, our Earth. Fill in the blanks. Percent of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Answer 75%. The large water bodies are called dash. Answer oceans. The large land masses are called dash. Answer continents. The bottom of every ocean and sea is covered with dash and dash. Answer silt and mud. A dash is a small drawing of a geographical area. Answer map. Maps are dash drawings. Answer flat drawings. The first real map was made in dash around 2300 BC, over 4000 years ago. Answer Babylon map. A dash is a model of the earth. Answer globe. A dash map shows us geographical features. Answer physical. A dash map shows us political boundaries. Answer political. Maps generally use the color blue to show dash, green for dash, and brown and yellow for dash. Answer blue for water, green for forest, brown and yellow for mountain and hills. Bye bye, see you later.